It's day 5 already. I'm sharing 7 ocean animals that I've made out of an egg carton. And it's been so much fun, and I hope that it makes you inspired to make your own. Today's animal, manatees. Oh my gosh, my heart melts every time I see them. They are gentle giants and such special creatures. So let's dive in. Before we dive into the craft, see what it looks like so you know where we're headed. I've made a stencil for you to make it a little bit easier. To find out how to download it, look in the description below. Let's make the pattern that you see on their bodies when the sunlight shines through the waves. You can always practice on other parts of the egg carton that you're not using. Here's an idea for how to hang it. The trick is getting the balance to be right. So that's why I used the blue painter's tape with the twine, just to see where it would balance and where I should put the hanger. I used a paper clip for this one, but you could always hot glue twine in a loop. I pushed it through gently, and it takes a little bit of work, but you can punch a small hole and then wrap the wire of the paper clip so that you can hang it. Here's how mine came out. Yay! If you love manatees and you want to experience them wherever you are right now, then check out my Lagoons High Tide course. It's a virtual paddle and we encounter manatees and so many other ocean animals. So I'll include the link in the description below. Just 2 animals left. What will they be? I wonder. You'll have to come back and watch tomorrow. And in the meantime, explore my other upcycled ocean animals. I'll see you there.